Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and proximity because pairing fails when the switch has low power or the remote is too far. Once done, place the remote about 1 to 3 meters away and remove metal between devices. Next, make sure the switch is in pairing mode by pressing and holding its button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks. While the LED pulses, press the remote's pairing button once. If the LED changes pattern, you've paired. If not, retry with fresh batteries. Now you configure how each button behaves and why that matters for daily use. Begin by assigning buttons following the device sequence. Press the remote button while the switch is in the assignment window so the switch records the command. Next, test available modes: momentary for gates, latching for lights, or timer for outlets, because each mode changes response duration. Once satisfied, secure the settings by holding the Save or Confirm button for about 2 seconds. Make sure to run a full test cycle on every function. Finish by validating reliability and knowing a single troubleshooting move. First, power cycle the switch to ensure settings persist, then operate each remote function from different locations to confirm range. If a function fails, reset the switch to factory defaults and repair the remote. This clears corrupt bindings. Also, replace or recharge the remote battery if signals are weak. Finally, keep the manual and note the channel or ID so you can reconfigure quickly if you add devices or swap.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.